How to disable caps lock notification on Windows 11. In this video, we'll show you how to turn off or turn on the caps lock notification on your computer. So let's get started. Click on Start menu. Type Control Panel on the search bar. Then press Enter. Now click on Easy of Access Center. Then click on Make the keyboard easier to use. Now uncheck the Turn on toggle keys. Also uncheck the Turn on toggle keys by holding down the numlock for 5 seconds. Then click on Apply and press OK. Now select Make it easier to focus on tasks. Then scroll down and check Turn off all unnecessary animations. Then click on Apply and press OK. That's it. You have successfully disabled caps lock notification on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our Tutorial River channel for more videos.